Alright, so today's agenda is restoration of the Blackstone. So, this has probably been long overdue, and honestly, I just straight up need to quit leaving it outside. That's my big problem, but regardless, now it gives us a learning experience. So, that's what we're doing today. We're gonna go fix up my Blackstone, make it look all nice and pretty again. A few things that you wanna use are some glovies, because it's gonna get messy. Some old towels, doesn't matter, I got a couple of shop towels and just a nice big towel. I'm gonna wipe the whole thing down to make it look nice and purty. Some scrapers. Now I have a normal metal bench scraper, and then I have the actual like Blackstone angle scraper, whatever floats your boat. This works quite nicely. This also will help get some of the corners as well. So either or both, don't matter. Some paper towels. Some normal, plain old white vinegar to get rid of any rust that you have. Helps eat away at the rust, cleans it right up. One of these guys. And then just some regular oil. I have some olive oil that I'm going to use. You can use grapeseed oil. I've seen people use avocado oil. I wouldn't recommend, avocado oil is just weird. But anyway, that's the mission today. I'm scared to see what it looks like because I'm sure it's pretty gross because that's what happens when I leave it outside. I need to get a cover for it. That's really what I need. I need to get an actual physical cover for it. But in the meantime, I just need to leave it in the garage when it rains. So, let's go outside and let's fix us our Blackstone. Oh, and I almost completely forgot a steel bowl. And then I'm using this. Don't ignore the apparatus. I can't find my bucket. But some soapy water to wipe everything down. You don't need it on the actual Blackstone part. I'm just using this to wipe everything down, so don't kill me. But now we can go outside. Well guys, there you have it. Operation Restoration, aka fixing up the Blackstone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button, throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think. And as always, peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!